peeps and welcome back to CRACH. Today I am not alone, I am here with my second senpai, Steven. I would say, introduce yourself, who are you and what do you do?
I am the vigilante and I'm a cosplayer.
You're more than a cosplayer, you're an amazing cosplayer I would say. And I know that you also make photos of cosplayers yourself, so you make
I'm a photographer, yes.
Yeah,
also.
he does a lot of amazing work. I'm going to show you pictures right now, like of his Groot, Captain America. What else?
Green Arrow,
Aladdin, Zuko as well.
Yeah.
Amazing cosplays, I really love it. But I gotta say, my favorite one is always Groot.
The most. But
yeah.
I have a new one incoming. So
A new one incoming.
it's even more known than Groot.
Even more known than Groot. I am really excited. I'm not gonna tease you with more questions about that. I'm sure you want to keep it a surprise for now. Okay, but what are we going to do today?
We're gonna make a prop for you.
A prop? Is it going to be for my Eraserhead, my friend?
Of course.
So, is it the goggles that you
Yeah.
Yes, we are going to make the big goggles of Eraserhead, and I'm so excited to do this, peeps. So I would say, let's go straight to the making of the goggles. How big is my head?
Yeah, we're gonna know. So I'm gonna measure. 58.
58, that sounds good, right?
Yeah, it's a big head, yeah.
It's a big head, filled with knowledge and redness.
Now we're gonna see how big we're gonna make it.
Yep.
So the biggest part near to your eyes,
Mhm.
gonna be 3 centimeters.
2 centimeters, okay.
Smallest parts.
Yes. 2 centimeters.
Yeah.
Oh! I'm a genius!
Then we're first gonna make a pattern for the
Okay.
side of the goggles.
For the side of the goggles, I'm gonna show that to the camera. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Then first we're gonna draw it, and then we're gonna cut it in the foam.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the biggest part.
Yes. And then
First.
we start with the biggest part.
Yes.
Then we're gonna cut it, and from then we start smaller and smaller and smaller.
Okay, so each time we're gonna make a smaller part to cut it out, make it smaller, so it's going down.
Downwards.
there.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Total is 3 centimeters.
Yes.
So then I'm gonna base from that. It's just a little corner that's missing.
It doesn't show the part that we're making right now. There.
Now we have the first block.
Okay.
A little bit sideways. And then I'm gonna check on your head if I like the size.
Yeah.
Because it's just paper, then we can adjust.
Yeah, yeah.
We can adjust them.
It's better to try out right now.
Then we're gonna use the foam from the cosplay shop.
Ooh. Like your t-shirt.
Yeah. That's from the cosplay shop. Can use.
Yeah?
The corner.
Yeah, I can use a corner indeed, that's even better. Ooh.
First part. Then to cut foam, very important. Every time I want to make a cut, I sharpen my knife. When you start right at the corner of your piece,
Yes.
then it's gonna leave a mark at the corner.
Oh, okay.
Because you
I get
push there.
Okay, so I take a
A
distance.
little bit farther, yeah.
Okay, I get it.
And also a little bit farther, yeah. Yeah, then you have a nice cut.
And here, yeah, here I can't.
Yes.
I have to be.
Okay. And we have the first piece.
Does this look good, senpai?
Yes.
It's fine for a first time. Bing! Piece number 1. 500 more to go!
12 in total is gonna be fine.
Oh! And there we go.
That's much better.
That's much better.
So the first parts are done.
Is Senpai proud of my cutting?
Yeah, you did nice.
Nice. Okay, so that's the first side. So we need to do this a second time, right?
Yes.
Recto verso. Let's go. Yes, tell me, what's this?
What's this? I cut 2 pieces
Yes.
where we're gonna place the little pieces on.
Okay, so
That you
it's-
cut.
This is the base,
The base,
of the little pieces that I cut for the side.
Yeah,
of the
then we're gonna
goggle.
work like this.
Ah, that's gonna
And then
look
we're gonna put-
fine.
Yeah, we're gonna work like this, and we're gonna put them all on top of that.
Okay. What
Okay.
glue are we gonna use?
We're gonna use the contact glue.
Contact glue.
Yes.
It's super glue. Okay.
For contact glue, we need glue on the both sides.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna first do the whole side of this,
Okay.
so that it can dry. First, we only need a couple of minutes to dry out
Okay.
before we gonna glue it together.
Yeah, stick it together. So you let it dry a little bit.
Yeah. And then we make contact with each other.
Contact glue. I see.
Yeah.
Oh no, you made contact with your body.
Then
Oh no.
I need the pieces to keep in order.
Yeah, because we made different measurements so that the side of the goggle is gonna get smaller and smaller the farther you go away. So that's gonna be awesome. Isn't it gonna be awesome?
Yeah.
Nice. So the glue has been put.
On both pieces.
Yes,
Yeah.
both sides. Yeah.
So we're gonna see the sides underneath
Mm-hmm.
is equal with the piece, and the inside. Oh, and then it sticks.
Nice. Look at that.
That's the first piece.
Ta-da! How many more pieces?
24.
Woo!
And the first one is done.
Isn't really straight yet, so now we are going to cut this to make it look nice and clean like this part, right?
Yeah.
Clean. Nice. Look at that. Look at this professional. It's beautiful.
And the other side.
Can I touch it? Look at that. Wowee. Wowee. Beautiful.
Now we're gonna make the front of the glasses. So I'm gonna measure how wide they're gonna be.
Yes, measurement of my face. Big nose, and
Yeah.
my nose.
So in total we need 6 centimeters
What?
for each eye. Yes.
I thought like 6 centimeters from my nose. What? Okay, we can do this. Bing! Stevie is dirty. So we did cut out the triangles. So we got 4 of these.
That's for the top and the bottom for the front of the glasses.
Yes.
We're gonna see where the bow is coming, the
Mhm.
curve.
Yes.
I'm gonna mark where it's gonna curve,
Mm-hmm.
both sides.
Excellent.
So I'm gonna cut it, but not all the way. Just
Yeah.
make a little carve, so it's gonna be
Easier to bend.
so it's gonna bend nicer.
Like 50% cut.
Yes.
Don't go too wild. It's just a flash point.
Yes. And then you see the mark,
Yeah.
but that way it's gonna
Bend easier now.
bend easier now over the triangle.
Let's go.
It's nicer for finishing.
what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna bend the foam
Yes.
to adjust it to the form of your nose.
Okay, so this is the piece that's gonna be between the two glasses.
Yes, this is gonna be here.
So we need to bend that quite a lot.
Yes. To do that, we're
We're
gonna,
gonna
use
heat it. Ooh. Looking good. Beautiful. Beautiful, my friend. You're a superhero now.
This is to make all the edges
Smooth.
smooth, yeah. We're gonna remove all the little edges.
Yes.
We're gonna do it with a quick seal.
Quick seal, yes. And we need some water for that.
Yeah, because it's a little bit hard.
Yeah.
Like this,
Wait.
a little bit on. Then I make my finger wet,
Mm-hmm.
so I can rub it open.
Nice.
And then you see the edge disappear.
It's awesome.
So, depending on how rough the edge is, you have to do this 1, 2, 3 times.
We are back.
Making the edges smooth.
So peeps, this is already the result of our first day working on the goggles, and I gotta say they look amazing, man. We did a great job. You are amazing.
You did also great.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. That means a lot coming from you. But this has to dry for now, so we are going to continue this on another day. What do we still have to do? We need to put some color on it. And yeah, it's like the finishing works, right?
Yeah, first we have to do plasti dip. So
Plasti dip,
that's
yeah.
a coating before we do the painting, and afterwards we can do the painting and shading for the shadow effects.
Cool. I already want to thank you so much for your time, but I would say let's go to the second day.